Hello everyone. My name is Sumit Suresh Achalya. Our today's topic is yoga. Yoga is important of yoga in modern life. Modern lifestyle towards the making more comfortable affect our health in different aspect and physical and mental as well as social of life. Increase the risk of fitness or obesity that result mental turmoil with the tension. Mental stress is one of the biggest problem in our day to day life. It affects in our working capacity, relation, physical and mental health. Although we have high tech medical facilities, we are still leading a stressful, unhealthy, and unstable life. In such a case, yoga brings peace to our body and mind. Yoga reduces the risk of getting so many diseases which resulted from our day to day lifestyle. The importance of yoga is modern life is abundant to lead a healthy life. Yoga way helps us to lead a healthy life by developing our conventions, creativity, and sharpening our memory. In order to maintain a positive physical and mental health, practicing yoga is must. This paper therefore discuss the importance of yoga in modern life with motivation to encourage to our practice yoga into our modern busy life to remain physically and mentally fit. In modern days, it has been observed that people suffer both for physical problem and mental stress, but people are found to experience mental stress rather than physical stress. Many reasons may be certified from there, such as a lack of physical experiences, usually technology and sitting long hours in the office and is front of computers and laptops, an argument with a friends or family members, monthly bills journey from place to place in very stressful traffic and jam, an accident, death of the loved ones, etc. The causes of stress cannot always be controlled. Non-healthiness we can learn how to face them to the end. The following version shows the effect of mental stress. Our life, the modern life makes the life of problem person more luxurious, comfortable, and easy. This is turns to makes to go throughout intensity and tournament energy level. Compositely and compared to tradition one modern lifestyle gives born to many diseases like diabetes, heart disease, blood pressure, cardiac and problems and others many things. Yoga has been a very important and priceless gift given to men by nature since ancient times, which keeps humans together with natural throughout lives. It is the best price to combines both of this body and mind recognition between the brain. It provides a high level of sensitivity to a person on all dimensions such as physical, mental, social and intelligent level control with the advan- advent of the student in school and colleges. The daily practice of yoga is promoted to increase their concentrations on education It is a systematic effort by people which is done to improve personalities by and the correct method of breathing. It has three main elements of a body: regular content between body, brain and soul regulatories and activities of all organs. In the body, the proteins of the body is mind to troubles due to some bad conditions and many. Yoga is unlimited act to harmony between one's physical existence and spiritual constrictions. The preference of segregations between the mind and body is known as yoga. More a physical form of experience, it is considered as a spirituality act as makes you aware to yourselves. The depends on introduce that we do when our minds and revolutions makes us feel conducted in inner cells. Yoga has been important part of Indian cultures and has been gaining popularity around the world today. While we know that yoga is practice in which people perform breathing and repetitive physical momentums to aid in medications, what many do not know is the actual price and practice and importance of yoga general. It is important and understand how exactly this ancient Indian traditional can fit into the modern world, which really helps millions of people and promotions health times. The yoga, the yogi tradition has a staying power of because it is a deep physiosophy that creates motivations from healthier lifestyle. It also helps you in mentally and aid of spirituality well-being. Yoga can help you bring happiness into your life, can give your joyful life. It also creates a peaceful mind and gives the mental relaxations. So yoga is process of creating life mentally and physically healthy and happy. So this is today's topic yoga. So thank you.